The SWOT analysis template provides a structured method for assessing the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats (SWOT) of a business, product, or team being done. It is also an effective tool in the conduct of personal SWOT analysis. In my future videos, I will be discussing more great tools about project management. So please hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our future updates. Before we proceed to our topic, I have something very important to tell you. PM2.biz offers 300+ professional high-quality project management templates and documents in Excel that can save time and increase efficiency. So don't miss out on the best offer. Let's proceed to our topic without wasting a second. There are 3 types of SWOT analysis template to choose from. 1. Classic SWOT analysis template. It is most often used in strategic planning primarily to summarize an analysis of your 4 strategic environments consisting of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This template is a great tool for you to use to record the outcomes of your strategic planning analysis or strategy brainstorming session. It is easy to use. All you have to do is place your content in the appropriate spots. However, this template assumes that you already know how to complete a strategic analysis and that you have completed your analysis. 2. Ultimate SWOT analysis template. It includes greater than 50 analysis questions that will help you to complete a thorough analysis of your strategic environments. There are questions for each of the 4 segments of the analysis of the SWOT. If you have not completed your analysis, this template will save you a lot of time. This type of template is a great tool for you to use if you would like some guidance with your analysis. The template is 5 pages long and poses a series of questions about your business and your operating environment. Your responses to these questions will form the basis for your analysis of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. After you have completed each of the 4 sections on strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you can also summarize your SWOT on the last page, same as that of the previous template. The template is designed to give you a more rigorous analysis. However, you will need to consider your own industry-specific requirements as part of your analysis of the SWOT. 3. Distinctive SWOT analysis template. This template will help you to identify connections between your internal strengths/weaknesses and your external opportunities/threats. It is a great tool to help communicate the implications of the SWOT to all staff. The advantage of this type of template is that it has 4 quadrants that make it easy for you to quickly and simply identify where your internal and external strategic environments interact. As markets become more and more competitive, it is essential to continuously assess current operations and identify ways in which performance can be improved quickly and simply. To expedite the assessment process, the use of appropriate SWOT analysis templates is a must. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Download 9,000+ project management and business templates, plans, tools, forms, and guides at projecttemplates.biz. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.